Hello kids! Today we are going to draw and color an elephant by using a circle and curves. Let's start. First step is to draw two small circles for the eyeball. Draw another two big circles around the small circle for eyes. Now draw a semicircle for the head. Next step is to draw two slightly curved lines for the trunk and close the first curve with the second curve. Now draw two ovals with a pointed end for tusk. Now draw curves for ears on both the sides. Now draw a curve for tummy using letter C and reverse C. Now we are going to draw legs with upside down D. Let's start to color the elephant. Black, grey, Now give the boundary with a black color. Our elephant is done. See, it's very simple. Hope you all enjoyed this video. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a Rubik's Cube. See you.